I'm Matt Kisselstein, Level 5's resident retail marketing technology evangelist, who is sometimes called Weeds. Not going to get too deep today, though, but I would like to show you something cool. But first, welcome to RVDA 2020 virtual style. Welcome to our virtual booth, and welcome to Virtual Lot. Most fittingly, we've got a product that dynamically allows you to enhance your on-the-ground inventory with online listings from every brand, manufacturer, and every configuration or model that you're licensed to sell around the clock. What do you need that for? Here's what. Your website will get found more often in searches for units you otherwise would not have had listed. And if it's not in stock, you're still in the game. Your customers can still order the unit they're looking for, and you never miss an opportunity. Here's what it looks like in the wilderness. Last year's hometown favorite, Johnny Walker RV, happens to be a Level 5 client, and I'm going to show you their virtual lot. First, I'm going to show you something very cool, very quick. 2020, I get and search assist. I type used, let's see, used travel trailers. I type L5 VIN. I'm now looking for the VIN numbers of everything that Level 5 has on this website as a virtual piece of inventory. Let's have a look. Here they are. Level 5 virtual inventories, you'll see in the URL is indicated there. It's in the search bar, and here are the units.
Every unit comes with the option to send to a friend, look at more photos, download a brochure.
If I want to favorite them, I can favorite them. Look, I like that one, and that one. And now I want to view my favorites, but wait, the phone rang. The kid needs a ride home from school. Something happened.
I gotta go. But when I come back,
I can view my favorites all in one place. And then, when I want to compare them all in one place, I click the compare button, and there they are. If your site doesn't do this stuff, you need to call us. Back to the point. The L5 VIN that leads to the virtual inventory does some amazing things. Not only does it find people that you can convert and get them to order, it will also, if someone is looking actually to order it, it'll pre-fill the form. Personalization makes conversion happen at about a 500% more likely clip. If that's a blank form, I'm much less inclined to click make an offer. It's not blank, I might click. I'm a lot more likely. Nonetheless, here it is. The form is filled out. There's the unit.
stock photo and floor plan,
RV specs, standard features displayed in this convenient accordion drop down. And as a shopper, I know what I can buy. I can make an offer. I can submit a form. I can say, I like it, but different color. Different color. I submit the form, and guess what? I am now a lead, an up, a conversion, a possibility. I am in the game with you where otherwise I might not have been had I not found this online. Now, in terms of finding it online, have a look. I'm going to grab the page title. I'm going to drop it into a new fresh search bar. Not the URL, the page title, right? 2021, Jayco Melbourne 24K, the address and the level 5 VIN. I'm going to search for it. Look what happens. It shows up top of the organic listings. There's his brother on top of the Johnny Walker images, and this is all due to our data structure, which is another module entirely. But what you'll see here is the Johnny Walker virtual inventory listings sit above RV Trader, and the OEM. This click that takes me right back to the unit is a free click, not a paid click. So, with all of that said, why wouldn't you want a virtual lot? Cool, huh? Check me out for the next one. I got more cool stuff, and you'll go like this. It's better. Thanks.